My name is Mr. Sunday Okana. I came here since morning around 8 o'clock.
8?
Yes, 8 o'clock. My experience is that when I came, the crash has already been here so far. So I asked, and what they told me was that I should go to write my name, and people were queuing up writing name. So I queued up and I was writing. I wrote my name, where a lot of us were there. Then later on, I found out that I have to get my my receipt. So I was waiting. A lot of people were in the gate here, blocking the gate, trying to enter. Even the people that were calling names, they were not coordinated at all. So I tried to call the person that was calling the name that, please, this is not the way to do something. What you should do is to come outside and call everybody and let everybody line up and be entering. So from there, he now handed over the paper to me, the names of the people. So I began to call the names of the people, calling their names, and I instruct them to scare people away, take people away from the gate, so that the people that have been written name will be able to enter. So from there, everybody began to listen to me. Then I called the names to the extent that, no, I've not yet collected. So I'm still inside, you can see.
Okay, like what you're seeing now, it's just one area. This is a part of Amak. The main part is in Karu, but this one attends to about 7 different units. The way we have arranged is when you come and present your card, if you look at the canopies, each one is labeled according to the ward, whether it's Guyi or Kabusa or Gwarimpa. So you just go directly there and then present your card, and then they'll be able to locate it for you.
My name is Ayo Anima Shaon Kazim.
And you've been here since when?
I've been here since 9 o'clock. The stress is much. Before they give you anything, you go through many stress, you'll be on sun, they won't do anything. But the queue that is there, police will be harassing you that what is happening. They will just send you out for no reason. I saw like 3 people that we came together. They has injury, they can't even pity them. We have been telling them what is going on. They will tell you to be on queue, to be on queue, to be on queue, to be on queue, to be on queue. I've been here since 9 o'clock. This is after 3. Doing nothing. Before they give me this, my photo card, the stress is much. The stress is much. Please, they should do something about this thing. They
something like what?
They should employ a lot of people to work with them. They should employ a lot of people to work with them. Because we have a lot of crowd being on sun since morning. When they employ, everything will be go nice. They won't be stressed. They won't be stressed. Let's be everything. We just understand each other. Yes, just one person. Because the stress is much. Because we have a lot of crowd. So I think the person is not feeling too strong. So the crowd making the person faint. So that is how.
When you went to register and now, tell us the stress. Which one is more stressful?
There's no difference. There's no difference. No difference. When we come to register, a lot of crowd. Still the same to collect it, there's crowd again. So please, we need a lot of employees. They should employ people so that they can work together. This thing can move.
My name is Ifnaya, and I've been here since about 10 a.m. in the morning. I think there are better ways to do this. INEC as an organization just have this role to play once in every 4 years. And I think they can do better to make the procedure seamless. We can't be here from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and in fact it's 3 p.m. as I speak to you, and so many people haven't picked up their PVC. Some can't find theirs. Some don't even know what to do. A lot of people have lost hope in the system, and yes, we want to do better. How are we going to get our country working if we can't have our PVC to cast our votes? Why can't they have these things move down to the ward level? That way people just go to their ward, pick up their PVC and go about their daily activities. Alternatively, you can have a synergy with the bank. You can go to the nearest bank. I mean, every Nigerian, most Nigerians have a bank account. You can go to your bank and pick up your card, just like how you have your ATM seamlessly produced without having to go through this torture. I had to be off work to be able to get this done. I mean, this is my working hours, but here I am spending the whole day at this particular place just to get my PVC. 3 people lost their phones here. Two ladies among the 3 people who lost their phones still couldn't even get their PVC. So you could imagine the pain they are going through. The fact that you lost your phone, you spent hours here, and yet your PVC wasn't seen, or wasn't found rather. So I think we can do better. I mean, it's a technological age, and as such, we should be able to move from the analog way of doing things to the digital way of doing things. That way, every other person has this confidence that the system is built to favor us. If the system isn't built to favor us, we can't even bank on having a free and fair election. So that's my opinion. I think from tomorrow, they should make this seamless. This is the first day, and we are having so much hatred after so much time being taken or being allotted to INEC to get this thing done. And yet, this whole time, we couldn't still get it right. It's not a funny experience at all. I have my baby who has been in the crèche, and I have to still go back there to pick him up. And this time I spent here would have been used judiciously if I was at my place of work.